My name is Ryan Frizelle, and I've built over $35 million in business pipeline using AI systems. This channel is about what happens when you take those same systems and point them at your own life. This is my first video, and I'm going to show you how I'm currently building my personal life dashboard from scratch, all using Claude Code. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is what we're building today. It's a personalized dashboard, and it was created all using Claude Code, everything you see in front here. So the goal of this when creating this is to basically have a dashboard that has storage of my entire life, and that way I can use this with any AI system as AI evolves. So first, I'm going to show you the daily news section that I have, where basically I automated news that only I want to see, and it creates a podcast, spoken word, and um, article every single day. Then I'm going to show a home finder that I created for the home search. I'm currently in the market to buy a home, and I was able to find a way to automate having all the things that I'm looking for in a home and ranking the home and then getting an alert every single time that a home comes on the market. So this is awesome because I know the minute that a new home comes on the market, and that'll allow me to find my dream home. And then the last part of this is we're going to create a new tab together, which is the personal journal. So every single night I do a journal, and I basically fill out how the day went and the 3 tasks I want to get done the next day. And so we're going to build that together on this call so you can see just how easy it is to go from an idea to an actual product that you have in your hand that you can use that's customized for you. So first, the daily news section. I'm going to click into one of these because it'll take us to the actual dashboard. I actually ended up creating a full app for this. This was the first thing I created on Claude Code. So basically what this is I really wanted to know what was happening in the AI space with Claudebot or OpenClaw when it first came out. And I found myself having to manually search on YouTube or Instagram, and I would get a lot of noise where I'd go on these platforms, I'd consume this information, and then I would see other things on my feed that'd be distracting. So I was like, maybe I can create a personalized daily news feed where it's a 10-minute podcast. When I go on my morning walk, I can listen to it and only get the news I want. So that's what I created here. All of this was created with Claude Code by basically typing out the idea, and it built this dashboard for me. So all I give it is the settings where I talk about what I like and what I don't like. I choose the voice and different instructions and different sources that it's pulling from. And it basically creates a news article every single day that gets texted to my phone. And everything that you're seeing here, this dashboard, was all created in Claude Code, where it's essentially like using Claude, and you just type it in and it codes all of this for you. So I'm going to show you what this looks like in just a second, but just want to show this first example of something that I built inside of Claude Code, and then I have it in my personal dashboard here where every single day I see the new article that gets created. So next, this is another really cool thing, and all of this just shows what's possible. I feel like we're in an era where you can just build very custom solutions for what you need, and you don't need code experience to be able to do this stuff. So what this is I'm currently in the market to purchase a home with my partner Danielle, and we basically know exactly what we want, and we know as soon as something hits the market, we want to know about it so we can see it right away and put an offer in on a place. So previously we were looking at Zillow or Redfin every single couple days and having to manually search. They would send notifications when there's a new home. But we really like this nice modern look and feel inside of a home. And so Zillow can show how many bedrooms, how many baths, the pricing, the square footage, a lot of metrics and numbers, but it can't tell you that this kitchen is really open and bright and remodeled. There's nice hardwood floors that are bright, that it has views of mountains or different trees. So what I built was me and Danielle, we looked at basically all our favorite homes and put them in a spreadsheet. Then we took screenshots of all our favorite features, put them in a spreadsheet and explained why. Then we put that spreadsheet into Claude Code and asked it to create an app and have it basically send us a notification every single time a home came on the market that was above an 80% bid. And so it went ahead and built this for us. And it's so cool because like it's kind of crazy how accurate it is. Like we want 2 offices in our home, one for me and one for her, and it says only one clear office. We want enough room in the basement for a movie room. And so this one, it shows, yes, there's not that space. We want future kids, so it might feel tight. Not a ton of mountain views. And yeah, we basically have a huge advantage now. These are every day as new homes come on the market. We're at a huge advantage because we don't have to spend our time looking at this home or these homes. It's we're getting alerted as soon as something that fits what we actually want is coming on the market. So pretty sweet. The next thing we'll do now, we'll actually build something together to show you exactly what this looks like, taking an idea and turning it into an actual thing that you can use. And you can do this very easily yourself. So what we're going to do, this dashboard was the framework of it was built literally yesterday. So there's a lot of things that I want to build out. This time we're going to build a journal entry where every night before bed, I like to look at my Kindle and fill out a journal. And before I was doing that through Google Forms, but I want this all to live within this dashboard where I can see my next day tasks and basically keep a store of how I'm doing every single day and how I'm feeling. And that can be used and analyzed by AI. So we're going to go ahead and build this. So the most important thing to do when you are building something in Claude Code is really to make sure that you have a really good plan. So if you're thorough and give Claude a good plan, then it will build it all in one go, basically. But if you don't have a good plan and you just say, build me a personal dashboard, you'll spend way more time, 10 times as much time, having to edit it on the back end and make changes to everything. So basically, with the plan, we're going to describe exactly what we want, which is I'm going to take this Google form and basically turn it into a dashboard. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to actually speak everything that I want done. I want to build inside the dashboard, which is ryanfrizelle.me, and I want to be able to have a single page form that I fill out every single night. And when I fill this out, I want it to be stored in a database. I use Supabase for my database and store the form submissions inside of this database in a new section of the database. I want to have an interface where I can separately see every form submission. Another part that is important to this is in the form, which I'll give you to recreate this, I give it my next 3 tasks for each day. I want to be able to see the 3 tasks every single day and be able to mark them as complete. So every single day I can see my daily tasks that I have due for myself and be able to mark them as complete. I want this to be stored in the database as well so that I can see a log of all the things that I completed. Right now, everything lives on a Google form. I can either give you a shareable link to the form to scrape the form yourself, or I can copy and paste all the text on the page and you can create this from this. I want this to live on the daily journal page of Ryan Frizelle. Cool. So now I'm going to take this, just change a little bit here. Here is the link to the page. Make sure this is correct. And that just saved me a ton of time because I just got to speak that out loud. So now I just paste that into Claude Code. You'll see pasted text, it pasted everything here. And this is where I hit enter. And it's basically like Claude itself, but instead of me having to do all of these steps and copy and paste code every single time I want to edit this dashboard, instead it's just going to straight up build this for me. So you'll see here, this is a great feature. Let me invoke brainstorming skill, using brainstorming skill to design the daily journal. So then you'll see these tasks of basically everything it's going to do. And so right now it's exploring the project context, meaning it's going into all my files, understanding what it created and what it has to work with and what already exists. Next, it'll ask some clarifying questions. So it'll probably ask like, how do you want this to look? Stuff like that. Give me some approaches, present the design for approval, and then create it. So right now it's just understanding, gonna ask me some questions and it's gonna do it. This is an example of some of the questions it's asking me right now. You just use the arrow buttons to basically answer what it wants. So this previously existed, it's asking, do you want to replace it? Yeah, let's replace it and build this from scratch. Enter, and it'll continue to ask me some questions like that. Okay, so we're back. It is actually already created all of this. As you can see, it's darker, so it just ran for the past 30 minutes or so. So we're going to go back in, click on personal journal, and as you can see, it built out this entire process. So next, we're going to test this. It's always really important that you test everything. So we'll just go the day before, fill this out super quick, just as an example. And yeah, you always want to test what you build because it doesn't always get it perfect on the first time. You'll get it pretty close, but you need to actually test it yourself. And then you'll go back in and make edits. So testing. I admittedly already got it, made some edits previously in the past 5 minutes. So click submit. It shows there. We have our history. We have today. We can see the example tasks. It'll log all those. Then I can go into history, check the history of everything. And now I can use that to build other things. So yeah, there it is. The personal dashboard is started. I'm going to now use this every single night and use this as my tasks. I can build out other features as I come up with them, but that's basically what you can do for anything that you want in this life. So any result that you want, like maybe you're looking for a new home. you can build your own dashboard that helps with this. Maybe you're wanting your finances to be more tracked. You can use Claude Code to create a financial dashboard for yourself. Maybe you want to have a task logging system like this. You can create a nightly journal. There's so much that you can do with this, and we're just scratching the surface. So we're all living in a really exciting time. I could not advocate more to be able to start building these skills because they're going to become more and more valuable. And the more of a builder you become in being able to use these systems, the more valuable you'll become as AI continues to take off. So, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this is my first video that I've posted. I want to create more of these. So, if you want more, like, subscribe, let me know in the comments what else you'd want to see built or what you think of this system. Any questions, I'm happy to answer them. So, I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video.